Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start. First, open any editing application. Go to New Project. Now add 9 photos. Select Format 9:16. Adjust all photos to full screen. Delete the end part. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description below. Now set all photos to this time duration. Now add text. Go to text and write your text. Choose font and style according to you. Now place the text. Now apply the text layer till the end of the first photo. Now check the video. Now select resolution and export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.